This feature I'm about to show you on this particular video will help you get subscribers even faster than you think, because to create this type of content is very easy and you don't even need to do much, but you are going to get good number of subscribers on a very short period of time. One thing I love about YouTube is they love making things easier for the creators, especially the new creators. Now, how do you get more subscribers on YouTube? Basically, if we are being real, it is by getting more views. The more views you have on your channel, the more people convert and subscribe to your channel. How do you get more views? It is by getting YouTube to recommend your content to more people. Then how do you get YouTube to recommend your content? It is for you to post content that YouTube can push and it will go viral. That is what I want to show you on this particular video, and it's very simple. Just pay attention to what I'm doing step by step. If you open your YouTube app, this is my YouTube app, you can try this thing on a brand new channel. You can try it out on a brand new channel for you to confirm what I'm saying. Maybe let's say if you have a channel that you are already built, maybe you don't want to use this particular feature on it, you can try it out on another channel. So look at what you are going to do. Open your YouTube app, mobile app on your mobile phone. Then you search for trending shorts. When you search for trending shorts, you scroll, you look for all these shorts that have millions of views, millions, like hundreds of millions, 24 million, 60 something millions of views. So YouTube is trying to like encourage creators who wants to try their new AI tools. Do you understand? People that wants to try out their new AI tools. So that is the purpose of them introducing this particular feature. So you can try out AI tools on an already existing viral videos on YouTube. Do you get? Look at this one with 53 million views. We click on the video. So this is the video now. Look at the video. It's amazing. Let me see if I can recreate something like this. If you watch, this is a female, but let me see if this AI tool can do the magic. You click here. This is like to recreate a content that is already going viral. If you click here, you will see use sound, collab, green screen, cut this video, and then you will see an option for you to type in something. Turn this into a movie trailer. So you click on this, turn it into a movie trailer. They will ask you, creating content with YouTube's AI feature. Are you seeing it? You are responsible for the content you are creating and published with YouTube AI feature. You are responsible for what you are creating. If you want to create video, make sure to create or recreate a video that will not go against their community guidelines. That is what they mean by this. You know how strict YouTube can be if you go against their community guidelines. So you click on continue. Turn it into a cinematic high fashion runway. These are the things you can recreate, or add an image. Let me click on this add image. This is AI image of me. So let me use one of it for this. Let me use this one. I want to see if the AI tool can recreate this concept using my own image. Let me add my image and select this first option here. Turn the scene into a dramatic high fashion runway with flashing paparazzi bulbs. Let me use this one and see if YouTube can create it for me. One thing about this particular video and this particular type of content creation is it is mainly for people that are creating shorts, people that are creating short form content. If you are creating short form content, this feature will favor you very well because it will give you flexibility to try out different pattern of content creation or different pattern of shorts, and this type of video is not something that you will just post once and wait for the next 2 weeks before you post again. No, you have to be creating different videos. Shorts need consistent upload. Shorts are built with that type of social media, TikTok and Facebook Reel kind of algorithm. Even if you post 2 videos a day, 3 videos a day, 4 videos in a day, it doesn't matter. Where it matters most is if you are a long form video creator and maybe you are using, most importantly, you are a long form video creator and you are using AI to create content and you are posting every day, like 2 videos, 3 videos every day, long form video creator, YouTube can tag it as spamming. Are you understanding the difference now? But for short form creator, they might not tag it as spamming because the YouTube short form contents are built with the same algorithm as TikTok and social media platforms. Guys, can you see this? I think I like this, but the only problem here is it didn't give me that exact transition I was looking for. But if you check my facial structure, this is not me. This is not me. All right. Mm-mm. This is not me. But they tried. They tried actually, especially changing the lady into a gentleman. But if you watch here now, this person does not look like me. But am I going to post this video? Yes. But this person does not look like me. This is how you can create a viral short on YouTube, videos that had 50 something million views. And then when you recreate it, you can now post it as your own video, but it will now be an AI generated content because YouTube helps you to recreate the video using their AI feature. If you want to write a caption, you can write something here, anything that can catch the audience. If you still want to edit the video, cut the video, trim the part you don't want, you will just swipe up a bit. See, swipe up to edit. You just swipe up. You see why I love YouTube? So this is the video. I can cut the video here, even add a voiceover. I can add voiceover. Look at voiceover option here. I can even add another music. These particular contents become 100% my content. This is what people are using to get views and subscribers so fast, especially people that just started YouTube newly. If maybe you already have a channel that you have built from scratch, maybe you built the channel as a long form channel, I wouldn't advise you to start trying out this feature. No, because if you want to grow your channel as a long form channel, you don't have any business going viral with shorts because it is going to affect your long form views on a long run. So this is basically for people that wants to experiment shorts, people that wants to create AI videos, people that wants to go viral using AI new features from YouTube. This is for you. You can just be doing it on your short form channel for you to get your 1000 subscribers and your 10 million short views. And it's very simple if you are consistent with this type of upload. For people that wants to grow with long form video, this feature is not for you. This is for new creators who are interested in shorts and AI content. Unless you want to maybe create another channel and try out this feature and maybe grow that one separately. Do not combine short form channel with your channel that you are growing as a long form video. Like this channel you are watching now is a long form video channel, but once in a while I will post shorts, and the shorts I am posting is still very very related to my long form videos. Sometimes I will crop some interesting parts of my long form video and the post as a short video. So that is how I am running this channel. But this channel is full-time long form video channel. So you have to understand all these things so that you won't use viral short trend and spoil your long form channel algorithm. If you want to post the video, you click on next. When you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. This is a 10 seconds short. Do you understand? So videos like this and the likes, you can do this 2 times, 3 times in a day. You go to the title, you caption it, the man on suit. Then don't forget to use hashtag viral. Just use this hashtag viral. If you want to add more hashtag, no problem, but this one is okay for me. You go to visibility, you change this to public, you select no, it is not meant for kids. Okay, then you come to this pencil icon and select your thumbnail, shift it to this point. Good, I like it like this. If you don't know how to post video, you can go back and watch the video where I posted how to upload YouTube shorts to get more views. But the most important thing I want to show you here is this AI use. You must select yes. You can leave the tag like that without adding any tag. Come to brand deal. If there is no sponsored ad, you click no. Then after that, you add description if you want to. If you don't want to, leave it. Related video, optional. Every other thing here is optional because this is short. Then you click on upload. Now look at it, the short has uploaded. So if you watch, this is a new channel and this is even the first short I'm posting here. So before the end of today, I will still post more 2 or 3 or even 4. Then by tomorrow, I will come and check how many views all this my AI generated videos has gotten. Another method you can use to create short video is to come to this plus button, you select short. When you select short, you will see this Gemini icon here. You click on it, click on this Gemini icon. All these videos are videos people have created already and posted, and you can recreate from them. You can describe your idea here and create the video you want to create. You come to this create video. All these options here is what you can recreate. So I'm going to pick this first option and then select my own personal image. Let's go to add image. I'm still going to choose that first image, which is this one from my gallery. I will say something like, give me a pencil drawing. This is just normal prompt. Just a prompt, give me a pencil drawing. Can you see what is happening here? Give me a pencil drawing. That's just the prompt, and see what Gemini is doing for me. So you don't have any reason for you to say that you don't want to create content. If you cannot show your face just the way I am doing, you can create content using AI. You just have to be creative and create shorts using these Gemini AI features and do something that will give you views and subscribers from your YouTube shorts. Now take a look at this content. If I click on this edit now, this is add text, music. If I add voiceover here now, a very catchy voiceover, then add any trending music from here, then post this video, you will see the amount of views I will get on YouTube Shorts. So I'm not going to post this one immediately because I just posted one already. So let me give it like 4 to 5 hours. Maybe I'll come and post this one. So let me save it as drafts. I'm just showing you different ways that you can use to create content and even recreate some viral content on YouTube, then post it as YouTube Shorts, and you will get views. From views, you get subscribers. From subscribers, you get monetized. So that is how to create content, especially for short creators who wants to make use of AI. Long form video creator, you just need to be creating your long form videos and upload. I don't think there is an easy cut to that side. But for short form creators, this one is for you. Then, if as a long form creator you wish to do something like this, you can have another channel for it. Then you use it and create your short. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much. And for people seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazzy and I'm a creator for the creators. On this particular channel, I teach you YouTube and everything that has to do with YouTube, so you will understand it very well. If that interests you, consider clicking on the subscribe button. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Peace.